In the Cosmos article, How to Make Money in Your Sleep, we got the main idea that we start off with 365 and earn 5% interest rate per year. In 1 year, we would have 365. In 5 years, we would have 465 with 50 cents. And in 30 years, we'll have 1,577 with 51 cents.
So this is compound interest, which is A equals P, parentheses 1 plus R over N and T. P equals the principal amount, R equals annual nominal interest rate, N equals number of times the interest is compound per year, T equals number of years.
This is the explicit geometric formula, which in this case, Gn equals last term, G1 equals the first term, R equals the common ratio, and N minus 1 is the number of terms minus 1. Identify the corresponding pieces of each formula and explain any differences. In compound interest, it is more towards interest rate, and explicit geometric formula is about future amounts. One has a fraction and the other one doesn't. One is adding and the other is multiplying. Using both formulas, verify the information in the article. Do your answers from the formulas match the numbers in the article? Why or why not? So we plug in the numbers into the compound interest formula and get A equals 365, parentheses 1 plus 0.05 over 1, parentheses 5. And then we get 365, parentheses 1.05, parentheses 5, and get a total of 1,916.26.
And then we plug in the numbers to the explicit geometric formula, and we get Gn equals 365 times 0.05, 5 minus 1. Then we get 365 times 0.05, 4, and then get 365 times 0, and get decimal, which is 0.0000057. In part 2, we had to get a die and roll it 6 times. For roll number 1, we got 3, roll number 2, 4, roll number 3, 1, roll number 4, 6, roll number 5, 1, and roll number 6, 4. I am investing $341. My interest rate is 6%. I will calculate for year 1 and year 4. For year 1, our equation is G1 times R, N minus 1. And then 341 times 0.06. And then it's square root 364. After that, it's 1.3104. And then for year 14 is G1 times R, N minus 1. And then once we substitute, it's 341 times 0.06, square root of 5109. After that, it's 20.46. Part 3, number 1. I think yes, the number 5 rolls were reasonable because I wasn't investing a lot. It was something I could progress with. Number 2, 6% was a reasonable value for an interest rate because it is right in between all the other numbers, not too much and not too little. Number 3, I think no, it is not reasonable to have so much money in that account for so long. Part 4, research. Bank/investment account number 1, Chase. Bank/investment account number 2, Nationwide Bank. Interest rate number 1 is 0.01%. Interest rate number 2, 1.30%. Conclusion of your findings. Something I noticed were that the interest rates were not that high. They were all around 1.00 through 2.00%. The money to invest, I would invest in Chase. Why? Because I would be progressing as I add money into my bank account. I would probably have after high school.
Hello, my name is AM.
And I am JR, and this is Math Talks.